Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later, and App Clips is enabled. Next, scan the App Clip code, tap an NFC poster, or open a smart banner in Safari. These actions call the lightweight app instantly. Once done, watch the small card appear at the bottom. This is the App Clip UI. Make sure location and Bluetooth are allowed for tag-based features, and keep your Apple ID signed in so the clip can access temporary credentials and smoothly interact with system services. You tap the App Clip card to reveal the app's interface, which loads only the essentials, fast and focused. Follow the quick flow offered. You sign in with Apple for minimal account setup or complete a payment via Apple Pay. These features reduce friction because they reuse system credentials. Make choices about permissions, grant camera or location only if required, since app clips keep data temporary. Once you finish the task, the clip exits, however. You can save the full app if you want persistent data or deeper function. When you complete the short task, decide whether to install the full app. Tap Open in App or Download App to get the complete experience from the App Store. If you prefer not to keep anything, clear App Clip history in Settings under App Clips. This removes temporary data. If an app clip won't launch, try the key troubleshooting steps. Toggle NFC on, restart the phone, update to the latest iOS, or reset app clips permissions. These actions fix most connectivity or permission-related failures quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.